This video is all about using SaltWash. We're going to SaltWash.
So I started out by mixing cowgirl coral and crinoline to make it more of a pinky color. This paint is VOC free and organic and highly pigmented. So this part is easy. I next took my new made color and applied it all over this pretty piece. I wanted to make sure to get to the part where it has water stains. There's no way I could get out and just cover that all. And the paint covers really well. I even painted the section where there's a little bit of trim missing, but we will get to that a little later. Once the base coat color dried, I then wanted to apply the SaltWash. It's important to remember that SaltWash is a powder and does not contain color. So I mixed crinoline, which I used prior, with my SaltWash, and I got it to a nice consistency of thick cake batter. Next, it was time to apply the SaltWash that I had mixed with the crinoline color paint and just dab it on. It would form small peaks, and that's really important because that's kind of what gives it that textured, weathered look that we're looking for. Once the SaltWash is almost dry, make sure to brush down those peaks that we talked about earlier. Once the SaltWash is completely dry, you can take an orbital sander and sand more of the heavier sections with the SaltWash. You do want some of the underneath base color to come through. Next, we're going to use air dry clay from Iron Orchid Design. Remember that part where it was missing trim? Well, this is where this comes in. We're going to make it decorative and pretty and put it over that section, and nobody will know that there was ever anything missing. You want to make sure that you spread it out evenly and over the rim, and use something to kind of flatten it out, as like I am, a putty knife or anything like it. Once done, it's really super easy to just pull it out. You just kind of pull it out like that. Then we added some wood glue. This is how we're going to get this paper clay to stick on the piece that we just painted.
Is we're going to spread it like that. Just a little bit too much there. show them how it's broken. Here it is. Let's start from there. Is it getting it there? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
The very last step is just to seal, and I chose to use Debi's Design Diary wax. I used clear and dark wax alternating just to give it that old antique look. Just remember, you can use SaltWash on frames, as I did here. You can use it on metal, you can use it on walls, even on flower pots. You can use it with different paints. Possibilities are endless. The end.